We show you how to make your own blackboard or chalkboard by painting any surface with homemade paint. In a container, place the hot water and add plaster to it while mixing until it forms a kind of sauce. We take the paint of the desired color, white or black is the most traditional, and we add it, mixing well. With this preparation we must paint on the surface and let dry for 24 hours done. So we will have our homemade blackboard or board.
Leave us a comment, a like or subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Thank you for your visit.